What did you ask?
Now he said it's a crunchy store.
What did you ask? What was your question?
Because here's us we at the crunchy store.
Are you putting that
What?
camera?
So what do you want to know?
And here like this. I don't care.
So what do you want to know?
Because I got this whoop.
What did you ask? If it's a what?
It was whoosh.
It was a country store.
Did you ask if it's a
It was
restaurant?
not a country store. I tell that.
Did you ask if it was a?
country store?
No, it's a restaurant. See? It's a restaurant.
It also said it's a country store.
No, it's a restaurant.
It also said it's a country store.
No, it's a restaurant.
Just end the video.
What was your question, Blake?
If it's a restaurant.
It's a restaurant, not a country store.
Bye-bye.